Hello guys, so I am Harris, JPW Theory. So I am a Jurassic Park World fan since I was a kid. So gusto ko lang ma-share ang thoughts and opinion ko sa trailer na to, 'di ba? So, ang Jurassic World Rebirth trailer, pinanood ko siya. Pero pero I'm little disappointed sa trailer because hindi binigay sa akin yung ini-expect ko. Yung Spinosaurus, hindi binigay yung Mosasaurus, okay lang naman yung design. So ito yung Tyrannosaurus Rex at Spinosaurus at Mosasaurus. So nakita ko yung redesign ng Spinosaurus at parang medyo disappointed ako. Pero okay lang yun kasi nagbabalik naman 4 na Spinosaurus pa. Grabe. Pero yun nga. So, ratings ko sa trailer is 6 out of 10 kasi hindi talaga siya papasa eh. I really hope na hindi si Rex ito. Kasi pag si Rex ito, I'm out. Ayoko na manood ng Jurassic World series. I'm really out. So, yun lang yung opinion at thoughts ko at abangan nyo yung Jurassic World Rebirth at papanoorin natin kung maganda ba yan. I hope it's not very disappointing. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.